I mean, I do all my work at night. I don't know if that's interesting at all. Do you think that's interesting? I work for the hours of 7 p.m. to like 1 in the morning. Sometimes I do eat candy while designing. Hi, I'm Jess from Little Air Design Company. I came by Spoonflower today to check out where they print on the fabric. In 2012, I stopped working my corporate job and I decided to stay home with my daughter. I had horrible morning, afternoon, and night sickness, so the sewing had to go away and it just turned into designing. And then I started like crafting at night, which turned into an Etsy shop. And I started doing bedding sets, and I kind of wanted to find designs that kind of set mine apart from the other shops. So I started designing fabric. So when I see my patterns on being made into different things by makers, it is really awesome. It's probably the best part of doing all of this, and it's what keeps me going and making new designs, is like seeing it on a final product. If I would have made 100 designs and nobody ever put them on anything and I never saw pictures of it, I probably wouldn't be continuing to create stuff. And I do it, I make stuff daily, so it's just awesome when some of it ends up on a finished product. When I go to pick colors, a lot of times it has to do with like the season or the subject matter. But I look at a lot of color palettes on Pinterest, and I like scour them, and I'll find one that I like and try to apply it to my design and see if it makes sense. I'd say like most of my inspiration or come to me, I guess, when I'm outside or when I'm in the process of designing. Like, I do find a lot of the inspiration is in the process. Like, you'll be making something and say, oh, what if I did this, or turned this way, or made it this different color. I think a lot of the inspiration is in the process. And sometimes you just, even if you don't have an idea, you just sit down. Like, the 100-Day Project taught me that a lot. Just sit down and start doing something, and something will come out of it. Whether or not it's good or not, that's for other people to decide, I guess. I have a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old, and they are my day job, and designing is my night job. And it's also like my hobby, and I love it. And I'm really happy to come down here today. Like, this is awesome.
Insane.
Great.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I won't even watch whatever y'all put together. I don't even want to see.